Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Steam corrupt download. This is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so here I have Steam already open. Now, the first thing that you need to do is find the game that you have this problem. Now let's take this one for example. You can right click and then click on Properties. So from here, go to Local Files. And here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Alright, so after you click this one, Steam is going to verify all your installation files, and that should take care of it. Now, after this one, you can go to Steams and click on Settings. Now, here you can go to Downloads, and here click on Steam Library Folders. So from this one, you can click on the three dots in here and click on Repair Folder. Now this should repair the folder and you should be good to go. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.